Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how to make money on YouTube without creating video yourself. So it is pretty quick and easy. Let's get started without wasting our time. So first of all, just open up your YouTube, and from over here just select any of a random video, and from here you can see there is an option for remix. Click on that, and from here you can see there is an option for cut and the sound. Click on cut part, and from over here you can just select any of 5-second part of this video. Like I'm just going to do this one. And after that you can just use it as your YouTube reel, and from here you can just select any of the effect which you want to do if you want. If you don't want to do, you can just simply go to the next, but I just want to add a little video over here, and after that next part, and from here you can see that particular video is being added to that particular timeline, or you can just add text or just timeline. After that you have to just click on next part, and you can upload this video as your YouTube shorts without actually creating any video. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.